In your masonry fireplace, the area above the damper and below the flue is called the smoke chamber. Its purpose is to safely transition smoke and hot gases from your fireplace to the flue of your chimney. The bricks along the sides of the smoke chamber are typically corbelled or stacked one on top of the other to look like an upside-down staircase. Exposed corbelling causes smoke turbulence, which leads to creosote and soot buildup in the smoke chamber and flue. Building codes require the corbelled areas to be parge-coated smooth with an insulating, high-temperature mortar. To demonstrate the problem of exposed corbels, 2 test chimneys were built in the Wardenclyffe Hearth Lab. In one smoke chamber, the corbels were left exposed. In the other, the corbels were coated smooth with chamber coat, a refractory mortar designed for this application. On each fireplace, the back wall of the smoke chamber was replaced and sealed with a piece of glass. A smoke candle was used to show how the fireplaces performed. Notice the turbulence that forms at each corbel, which will result in creosote and soot buildup over time. In the smoke chamber smoothed with chamber coat, the aerodynamic shape quickly vents the smoke up and greatly improves the performance of the fireplace. Chamber coat, a trowel-on mortar, and Heat Shield's refractory foam, a spray-on mortar, both meet code requirements in the UL 2505 test standard for resurfacing smoke chambers and masonry fireplaces. Both are specifically designed to smooth and insulate smoke chamber walls.